Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health. Children, yesterday we read a very interesting story which gave us a very nice lesson also. The name of the chapter was Clever Birbal, and today we will be doing the notebook work uh, of that chapter. So, before we do the notebook work, let's have a quick recap of what was there in the chapter. In the chapter, there was a poor scribe and his wife who were caught in the trap of moneylender because of just a small dream. But uh, they went to Birbal for help, and Birbal helped them and let them free themselves from the clutches of that greedy moneylender by his trick. And what was the trick? As we know that that scribe had only dreamt that he has taken the money from moneylender, but the money lender played a trap and demanded money from him, but they were too poor, as well as in actual also they had not taken money from him. So they went to Birbal, and Birbal made a plan. He told the scribe to bring moneylender to him. By the time he placed a mirror and 100 coins in front of that, and he asked the moneylender, really he had taken money from you? He said, yes, he has taken money from me. So he said, okay, you take your coins back. Not, don't touch these real coins. Take it from the mirror. As he has taken money from you in the dream, in the same way you can take the coins from this mirror. So moneylender came to know that he was caught in the trap, and it was a very wrong thing, and he quietly went back, and he never played such trap on anybody. So it was a very nice story, and showing the wit and intelligence of Birbal. And it also taught us lesson that we should never do wrong to anybody, because one day we are caught in the trap. Now children, we will start doing our notebook work. Open your notebooks, write the date, day, class or year, chapter 2, Clever Birbal, new words. Here are the 10 words. They go as: first is borrowed, second earned, third interest, fourth moneylender, fifth outsmarted, sixth owe. Owe here means belong to someone. For example, if I say this house belongs to my father, or you can say this my father owns this house, so this is my father's house. The owner of this house is my father. O is to belong. Reflection: ruined, scribe and spread. After this, new page again, day classwork. We will write the word bank here. Chapter 2, Clever Birbal Word Bank. First is scribe. Who is a scribe? A person who copied written documents in the olden days. Second is fall into the hands of. Come under the control of. Third, will be ruined. Will lose all our money. Fourth, reach the ears of. Was heard by. Fifth, announced. Said strongly. Sixth, interest. Extra money charged on the borrowed sum. Seventh, loan, money lent to someone. 8, outsmarted by, proven wrong by. After this, we will do the frame sentences, but of only these 5 words: announced, interest, loan, scribe and reach the ears. Again, same way, day classwork, and this is your homework. You will frame sentences yourself. Now, let's move on to the question answers. Again, same way, new page, day classwork. Chapter 2, Clever Birbal Question Answers. First, what did the scribe often tell his wife? The scribe often told his wife never to borrow money and fall into the hands of the money lender. Now, after answer 1, we will draw an ending line. Now, question 2 goes here. How did the money lender come to know about the scribe's dream? The story of scribe's dream spread among the people and reached the ears of money lender. After this, again draw an ending line. Question number 3. What idea did the money lender get? Answer 3. The money lender got the idea of demanding the money that the scribe had borrowed from him in his dream. Again draw an ending line. Now goes the question 4. How did Birbal help the scribe? Answer 4. Birbal kept 100 gold coins in front of the mirror and asked the moneylender to take the coins reflected in the mirror. The moneylender knew that he had been outsmarted by Birbal, so he left. This is how Birbal helped the scribe. Now again draw an ending line after answer 4. Last question, question number 5. What lesson did the money lender learn in the end? The money lender learned that he had been outsmarted. He never tried to cheat anyone else again. Again, ran ending 9 after this answer. Children, I hope you will finish this work as soon as possible and send me for checking. And every word should be neat and clean after answer. Please draw an ending 9, be neat, and then complete your work and send it to me. Till then, bye. Have a great day. Thank you. God bless you.